I was living in stress for 25 years of my life, from the age of 0 till 25. I was living at a place that was the most unsafe, the most dangerous, and that was ironically my home. There was a lot of unrest where a child shouldn't be born. People like me can relate with me that whenever a person is actually in an unsafe environment, such as domestic violence, such as abuse of any kind, people who must have gone through bullying, harassment, any kind of traumatic event which must have happened in childhood, uh, anything which must have affected them, relationships, or some external problem that must have caused. So, such things destroy not only your childhood, they destroy your adulthood. For me, I never really know who I am. Like, I never really knew the sense of self because I was always in this environment. I was always engulfed in this environment that I couldn't chart my own life. I couldn't chart or even understand who I am because now the focus is not on us. The focus is more on solving what is happening in the house, and that is what happens to trauma victims. We forget who we are. We forget what we want. We forget what our needs are. We fail in our career because we don't know what we want and how to even be safe within ourselves so that we can actually create a consistent path to success. We fail in our relationships because there is so much of patterning happening. What patterns happened in your past is the same pattern that comes up in your relationships. You are frustrated, you are tired of working on them. That is what it does. I was an anxious person, and that is what destroyed my relationships. And it also damages your friendships, it also damages your body because the trauma is living inside your body, the danger is living inside your body. And it can also give you certain diseases. It can also destroy the sense of safety. For example, if people are feeling anxious, then they are always going to feel anxious no matter however good things are, because the body has somewhere understood that it is unsafe. It is always going to be unsafe because it has lived in that environment for such a long time. So if this is something that is resonating with you, if this is what you have been through and you want to work on this and get back that sense of self, get back the power in your life, then do reach out to me because I am going to help you do that. Bye bye.